Welcome to 5 Facts Part 2. I'm your instructor, Mr. Deutsch. If you're at this video, you should have already completed your slideshow, because what we're going to do is take your slideshow and turn it into a video like this. Hello, my name is Mr. Deutsch, and I'm going to tell you 5 facts about otters. Otters have certain places in their community where they poop. Otters have the thickest fur of any mammal in the animal kingdom. Otters use rocks to crack open the shells of other animals. An otter bite contains small amounts of venom which paralyzes its prey. So this video has pictures, transitions, voiceovers, and background music. Yours is going to have the same. Let's start by downloading your slides as PNG images. What you're going to do is go to File, Download as, PNG image in Google Slides. And you're going to click on each slide and repeat it for each one. File, download as PNG. You're going to see them kind of build up at the bottom, and then you're going to drag them onto your desktop. Make sure you're using Google Chrome, it's much easier. Next step is opening up Final Cut Pro, either by clicking on the icon that looks just like this, or by going into the corner, clicking the magnifier window, and typing in Final Cut Pro. Either one will get you there. Final Cut Pro is our editing software that we're going to be using. It's similar to iMovie, but it works a little bit better. Once we're in Final Cut Pro, you are going to create a new library. Go to File, New Library. Now, you're going to have one library for this class. Library stores everything, all your photos, your pictures, your movies. Now, inside a library are all your different events. Your events is what stores the raw footage. So in our case, our raw footage is going to be our pictures that we downloaded as PNGs. Then your media and projects, your projects live in your events. Now your projects is the actual movie. So the actual movie needs to take the raw footage to use it, and the raw footage lives inside of the library. We'll get back to all this. Create your library, and your library should just be titled Your Name. Next, you're going to create a new event by going to File, New Event. Remember, your event is going to be inside of your library. After you click Event, there's a little box that says Create New Project. Click on that. So now we have a new library, a new event, and a new project. What we're going to do now is import the media into our event. So first we're going to click on our event called 5 Facts. Then we're going to click on this little download arrow key at the top. We are going to find all of our photos that we downloaded. Click the first one. Hit Shift, click the last one. It's a little secret. It'll get them all in at once, and they're all there. So from here, I'm just going to drag the photos from my event, which is on top, to my project, which is on the bottom. An event is like all your ingredients, and the project is like the pan you're cooking it in. Okay, so now that we have all of our photos in there, we are going to start recording our voiceover. So for our voiceover, we're going to need some equipment. The first piece is called a preamp. The second is a microphone. The third is an XLR cable, and the fourth is a USB cable. So let's stop right here while you get the equipment. Connect the microphone to the preamp using the XLR cable, and the preamp to the computer using the USB cable. Now we're going to record a voiceover by clicking Window and Record Voiceover. Little box is going to pop up. Make sure your input says USB audio codec mono channel 1. Now, wherever the white bar is to the side, the cursor is where it's going to start recording. So I'm going to kind of go back and forth with my script and just record my little piece on each one of the facts. Hello, my name is Mr. Deutsch, and I'm going to tell you 5 facts about otters. Otters have certain places in their community where they poop. Otters have the thickest fur of any mammal in the animal kingdom. Okay, so you get the point. You're going to go back and forth. You're going to put your pictures in there, get the voiceover there. We're going to edit in our next video. Get to this place and we're almost there.